If you are one of those who really wishes to change themselves this coming 2025, this is for you. Since then, it became a always notion that every celebration of New Year's Eve, we always wish to change ourselves. We always want a new life. We always want an, a great change in our personal characteristics. We tend to think that changes in our body, in our mind, in our hearts came from outside forces. And we have somehow came came to a conclusion that that is true. Somehow it is we are certain about it. That is what we tend to think. Even me. Even me, I don't I'm not an exception from that notion. Most of my living years, I think that way. But then my mentor told us, but then our mentor told us that that is not the case. There is a high possibility that that is not true. And we must not, we must be not so certain about that notion. And my mentor teach me, if you can't control your mind, what can you control? Right? And Mr. Jordan Peterson said, before trying to save the world, clean your room first. We must be conscious of what we think. And yeah, even though the Freemasonry, even though the highest degrees from Freemasonry is studying what it looks like to be in the highest consciousness of humankind. It is a well-known skills or ability in elite circles, in rich men, rich women. They know about it. And I would like to share to you what I have learned from my mentor that he said the changes of yourself comes from within. The eagerness, the will to win comes from within. If you wish to change yourself this coming year, I would like to tell you that it will be a great impact and you will have a great another motivation, another sensation inside your body, inside your heart, inside your mind, like a spike of dopamine. Your dream will feel so close to you, in a point that you will really feel that it is achievable. You are the only one who will control your mind. Okay? Don't be so foolish to think your mind is out of your control. He said that to us to for us to realize that we have a capacity to control our brain. That is a waking up point from the system that we have all been living up for. So that is why a lot of people these days are so depressed. Some point we believe we're just a victim of what is happening outside ourselves. But the truth is this: what we think and and how we perceive things is really depend on us. How we react is really depend on us. Okay? It's really convenient to say it's because of him, it's because of her, it is because of this event why this is happening to me right now, why I am depressed, why I feel so insecure about things happening around me. The first thing you should do is really to admit that you are a blamer. Yeah. We used to blame others for our responses. And Stoicism really teach this. Stoicism practice this kind of mentality. So yeah, even the other philosophy, and I believe Hinduism too and Taoism too, they they practice this kind of philosophy. And it will have a huge impact to your personality and how you perceive your everyday life if you do this. Everything is in here. If I will put in the terms of Stoicism, my mentor is a great Stoic. Yeah. He controls this, he controls this. What mind can conceive, body will achieve. Somehow like that, what Napoleon Hill said. And that is true. Instead of saying, I wish I could change myself this 2025, just say to yourself, I will change this coming year. I will fix my discipline. I will commit to it. I will. I don't want gossips anymore. I don't want negative thoughts anymore. Only positive. I don't. I will not hear or I will not listen to hearsay. I will confirm everything. I will love my neighbor. I will forgive everyone who do bad things to me. And I will understand my coworkers. Because even they are very bad to me, they are very ruthless to me in the work system, I will understand them. I will think that they have inner battles too. What do I know about their war? What do I know about what happens to them inside their houses? Maybe me, when I go home, there is someone who will cook food for me. But how about them? What if they all alone? What if they are the breadwinners? And I will talk to them just for me to know what is their inner battles. And this approach will be very peaceful for you, brothers and sisters. This will make you very cool. You can do things you want to do. There is no one stopping you. Only this, only yourself is stopping you from pursuing your goal, for starting. Only you. Okay? Start to think like you are the master of yourself. Okay? If you want to follow God, command yourself. We will follow God. I will follow God. If you want to be rich, I will be rich. I will do the work. I know that. Because even God doesn't look you as if you were a robot. That is the one of the greatest gift that maybe Lucifer envy to us, because we have free will. We can think what we want to think. Life is simple.